Hi guys, welcome to Team TechDom. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove missing values in a dataset in R. So I'm using R Studio and I'm using the R Markdown format because it's giving this similar feel to Jupyter Notebook in Python. Like I said in the previous video, the Python Pandas video, that in the real world, most of the datasets you're going to be analyzing or using to build your machine learning models will actually contain missing values. So it's important you know how to handle these missing values. And one way of handling them is by removing the missing values. And this is okay if your data set is really large and the number of missing values are small. So you can actually go ahead and remove the missing values. So to do that in R, first we're going to read the data file. So this is the code to read a CSV file in R and load it into a data frame format. So I'm going to run this cell. Now we can see the first few rows of the data set. Now let's check for the number of missing values. So you remember in Pandas what we did was we used the method is.na. So in R it's actually similar except you're having is.na. So you have is.n here as a function this time. Then you pass in your data sets. So let's run this code. Okay, so this just shows us where we have missing the positions. We have missing values in the data set. And most of them are false, meaning in this particular position, ID case, the first value here, there's no missing value, it's false. I'm just go through this if I can find any true. Okay, so we have true here, meaning there are missing values in this position. All right, to see the columns where we have the missing values, we can use another function called sum. That's like column sum. You want to get the summation in the columns. So this is the function here, call sums. All right, now let's run this. All right, this gives us the total number of missing values in each of the columns. So you can see in the word, there are 43 missing values. In the community area number, there are 43. And X coordinate has 4, longitude 4, latitude 4. If we want to get the total sum of missing values, like how many missing values do we have in the data sets, we can use the sum function, passing dot is any df. Let me try this. All right, so we have 102 missing values in the data set. To remove the missing values, there's the function, the na.omit. Pandas it was drop any, but here in R it's na.omit. That's the function. na.omit. I'm passing df. Okay, let's run this. All right. Now let's confirm if the missing values have been removed. So it's kind of like a sanity check. I'm going to use sum. Just going to repeat the same code down here. So making sure the missing values have been removed. All right, so we're saying the missing values haven't been removed. And the reason why this is happening is this is actually returning, I think this is returning a copy of the data sets with the missing values gone. So to make this original or to modify the data set, we could just create another variable that would actually contain the data set with the missing values gone. So I'm going to call this df clean to show that we've actually cleaned the data sets. Right, and for sanity check, we're just going to check df clean to make sure it's clean. All right, so let's do the sanity check. Okay, now you can see we don't actually have any missing value because it's 0. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up by liking the video. And remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you when I see you.